Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys some of the saves and some of the mods that I downloaded. So let's go! Yay! First is a decorative cactus. Um, I found this in the workshop. This is a mod. I didn't make this. But let's unfreeze it. If it Here we go. Yeah, it's not laggy. It's just good. There's a lot of pieces to it. Yeah, you can destroy it because it's made out of this NPC right here. You can destroy it. Like, let's look at this. Yeah, look at Cactus's blood, and look at this thing's juice while it's destroyed. You see the bones, don't you? Yeah, it's just the same color. But yeah, some of these are stuff that I made. But yeah, look for it. It's a plant. This is one that I made. I made it out of a spruce tree. Yeah, it looks heavy. I know. Yeah, I didn't mean to do that, but let's see if... Yeah, Melon, you're gonna be holding the plant today. What did you do? Why did you break the plant? Why did you break the plant, sir? Why did you break the plant, sir? Please do not break my plant ever again. Please do not break anything that I made. Yeah, he can't lift it. He's gonna hit another test dummy. He's gonna hit a test dummy. And don't you dare say, yeah, I'm a test dummy. That's getting annoying. But yeah, let's continue. Droid. Is it? Oh, okay. I thought I spawned it wrong. The frick? There we go. That's the droid. I think it's R2D2, but I'm not sure. Oh wait, it is R2D2. If it was BB-8, it would have... Let me turn this on. I wonder what that does. I don't know what the button toggle does, but I'll click it. Oh, it drives. Bro. Sorry guys, I unplugged the aux cord from my headphones. I accidentally unplugged the cord from my headphones because I was trying to lay down. But yeah, it's fine. Everything's gonna be okay. He's moving. He's up and running. Hold up. He's gonna shock Melon with his shocker. I might make a Godzilla build and use that the energy blaster for the thing. White dread. What is make this? This is from the workshop. Yeah, just looks like a mummy, honestly. How did he clear everything, bro? Oh my god. Another tank. This is in the workshop. Yeah, the engine can explode in this one. The engine can explode. Yeah, I'm gonna make another tank video with this, and the other tank is gonna shoot it from behind, but they're gonna be facing each other. Jim for the Jim's computer episode. An elevator. I actually made this one. This is one of the things I messed up on because I wasn't able to save the part that I was supposed to go there. So let me just fix that. Come on, where is the... Oh. I want to make it so that the elevator can explode. Because, like, what if the elevator breaks? Like, what if you get stuck in the elevator? Like, I want to make something that you can get stuck in. But I am going to make a vent. No. Dude! Whatever, bro. Bro, keeping the whole... But yeah, I'm going to do a voice. I don't think you guys might like it, but yeah. It's going to be a Latino voice. ¿Queréis apretar un besito? Yeah, I know. I suck at it. But you don't have to tell me. But yeah. Jiggly. Jiggly thing. This is something that I made. Yeah, I tried to make one of those big body cubes, but then I accidentally spawned too many of them, and I didn't want to get copyright, so I just made this. Yeah, you can drag somebody with it too. Like, melt, the, like, you can grab it. Like, grab that. Yeah. And then the other person is gonna be grabbing that side of it. Yeah, and then you could just like drag them. Yeah, and then you could just like drag him. Yeah, it's fun. Bro, no, I'm not taking one of your stupid advertisements. Not here, but think. Mini cafe. I found this in the workshop. I'm gonna use this for a build. I'm gonna make uses for when the characters have breakfast in the morning. So get ready for that. Hold up. Let's see if the door is breakable. No, it is not. Yeah, Melon is gonna be in the kitchen cooking. Melon's gonna be in the kitchen cooking some sausages. Hold up. I need to get a thruster, freeze it. Yeah, this is what I'm gonna do before the episode starts. I'm going to get a thruster so that it will actually look like no, so that it'll actually look like he's cooking it. Now disable collision. There we go. Now we put it right there. Yeah, and then it's just gonna cook. It's just gonna cook. Yep. So yeah, I'm gonna record this for a little bit longer. Then I'm gonna end the video. I'm just gonna show you guys some of the things I found out in my little playground. So get ready. You can take that off. Yeah. But only when you freeze time. Yeah, I found this from another YouTuber. You can actually make the hose for the vacuum different shapes. Pull it. But I can't do it. That was a bug. But they fixed it, so now we cannot do this. But yeah, we're doing a bunch of random things today. So, talking to gay people, but it's not KJ. Chill. Yeah, KJ, if you're seeing this, frick you and your dumb boyfriend. So, KJ, if you're seeing this, I hate you. And I wish you were never born. And I freaking hate you so much. I'ma toss you off a crane, you stupid boy. But yeah, that's just a message to KJ before I end this video. So we're doing a bunch of random things. I'm gonna make multiple episodes for this. But yeah. I don't understand how Melon is standing on top of a You drive me insane, KJ. This is why, like, KJ, I swear to God, I want to hit you with a bus. KJ, that was what I want to do with you when I first get to meet you in person. Like, this is what I want to do to you. This is you. Yeah, like, I freaking hate you. I hate you. I hate you and your dumb boyfriend. I freaking hate you. I freaking hate you. Like you're saying, oh, why, you little, like, shut the fuck up. Dang. I hate you. Why can't you just get that I don't like you? Shut the hell up. Like, why can't you just get that I don't like you? Just be quiet. Yeah, this is your boyfriend. Yeah, I hope he gets a gun stuck in his arm and I hate you and him. So, this is him. This is you and him. I'm gonna... This is you. This is you and him. I hate you guys very much. And I wish you were never born. So, that was you. That was you guys. But anyway, bye.